Massive Audio H124 Review. Deep bass control for serious daily and competition builds.
You know that moment when your system gets loud, but the bass still feels soft, blurry, or strangely thin? A friend of mine spent an entire Saturday retuning his box, only to realize the sub was the weak link all along. That part stings. If you have been there too, you probably know how frustrating wasted effort can feel, right? Then the little problems start piling up. You chase output, lose clarity, stress the amp, and somehow still end up with bass that feels hollow in your chest. One installer missed a same-day handoff because the first woofer overheated halfway through testing. Not ideal. What you really want is control, pressure, and confidence without turning every upgrade into chaos or a second job.
Then the Massive Audio H124 showed up, and the whole setup started making a lot more sense. Big shift. Do not just pick any car audio subwoofer. Make sure it has a 3-inch high-temperature voice coil so you avoid heat soak and weak bass when you really lean on it. The Massive Audio H124 brings the kind of outcome-focused performance that matters in real builds. Deeper low end that stays controlled, cleaner output at higher volume, easier amp pairing thanks to dual 4-ohm flexibility, stronger durability during long sessions, better composer in sealed or ported boxes, and bass that feels physical without turning muddy. A shop owner I know was hours from delivery on a customer SUV build when the original sub started complaining under load. He swapped in the H124, dialed the box, and the cabin filled with that dense, pressurized hit you feel in your ribs before you even process the note. Quietly impressive. And there is one enclosure tip most people miss that helps this woofer sound tighter almost immediately. What makes the Massive Audio H124 easy to recommend is not just output, it is how much friction it removes from the whole car audio process. A car audio expert basically said the 3-inch voice coil can take real power without bottoming out, while the cast basket stays rigid when volume climbs. An influencer who tested it in a custom enclosure described the bass as deep, clean, and heavy, without that sloppy overhang some big subs bring. An analyst noted that the Hippo series stands out because the power handling feels honest, not inflated, which is refreshing in this category. And one installer user said the surround held up for months, and wiring it in different configurations was straightforward. That matters. I have seen subs look impressive on paper, then turn everyday listening into a constant compromise between output and control. The Hippo 124 feels more sorted than that. If you are wondering whether it is too much for a daily driver, that is fair, but with the right amp and box, it stays surprisingly musical. See why so many professionals refuse to work without it now. Which matters more to you, raw output or clean control? Either way, this is the kind of subwoofer that makes the rest of your system feel more serious.
The Massive Audio H124 is for the person who wants bass that feels deliberate, not random, and powerful without sounding loose. One daily driver owner moved from a weaker woofer and said the first track finally had weight instead of just noise. Simple fix. Join the many creators already seeing consistent workflow improvements in their installs and demos, though results may vary with enclosure design and power. If you want to hear what a more confident low-end sounds like, click the link and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.